Hi guys, welcome back to the Mindset Forex. So as you know that I right now am on a challenge of 5k of Maven, and right now is today is 30 of December. I'm trading gold. I have taken a trade of 0.08 lot of gold. The reason I took this trade is uh, the market is in a downward direction. Market touched the support level, it goes up, but it did not go directly to the next resistance. Then it got come back, and after that it also touched this. So I'm pretty much sure that the market will go down more because market is in a downward direction. Also, if I talk about the last trades that I have took, unfortunately, every trade, the last two trades, just miss our take profit by just like one or two pips. So it was a quite bad luck from my side. So I've taken this trade, and I will let you know, guys, like what will be the result of this trade. Our balance right now is to 4,964, and the target that I was setting for this trade is $30. So if we got a TP, the target profit would be around like 94, 4,994. So let's see. I'll update you in few minutes. Thank you. So guys, the update on the trade is we got loss on this trade. What is my next plan? The next plan would be I will take a sale trade here because it is quite a powerful resistance level. I would I would also see that if we can get any rejection from that point, so we'll take a sale trade. Thank you. Welcome back. So guys, I'm taking a new trade here. The reason for taking this trade is, let me put just trade. It was a placing order. It was a pending order. So I'm taking a buy here. The reason for taking buy here is very simple. On a 1 minute chart, market broke the structure. It closed above this. This is the fair value gap. Market gave us the direction. Market gave us the bullish candle around it in fair value gap. So I'm putting my targets 2613 as a stop loss. 2613. Okay. This is my stop loss. And my take profit would be around 30. So the take profit around would be 2622. 2622. I don't know if I missed this trade or not. Let's see what will be the result of this trade. So guys, here is the update on the trade that we have took. So if we go on a 1 minute chart, you knew that this was a fair value gap. We have placed our trade here. The market did not trigger our order at the first mode. Then the market came back, trigger uh, our order, and we got a take profit. The take profit was 30. So wait our take profit, and now we will use the second step of my compounding session on the trade. So let's see if I can get any good trade here. The new trade that I'm looking right now I'm looking is at the resistance level. Let's see if I got any good rejection at the resistance level on a 1 hour chart, and then I will take a sell. Hi guys, so I'm now taking a one more trade, and the plan for taking this trade is very simple. If you could see, this was the market structure in a 1 hour chart. In a 1 hour chart, you could see the market broke this structure, and initially I thought it was a liquidity sweep, but what it did is on a 5 minute chart, it swept the liquidity from here, it goes up, and there was a fair value gap, but it did not felt the fair value gap, even though it broke the fair value gap and goes down. So right now what I'm looking for the short trade at 1 minute. If I could see, this was a fair value gap that I'm looking right now. So let me put my trade. The plan is to short the trade here, and if I go, so my short trade would be around here, and I'm taking a trade of 0.05. So let's go. Okay. and my stop loss would be 2615. Let's see that what we can do about this trade. I will update you guys like when this order got triggered, and even it doesn't matter if it hit our take profit or stop loss. We will go with our plan. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back. And if you have to remember that we have taken a trade around here at the fair value cap, and it have a take profit. So right now, if you could see, we have a two trades consecutively, and the profit is 1/3. So the risk to reward is 1/3, and we have right now at the balance of 5,004. I have also taken a one more trade on a BTC, but I will most probably close this trade because I am not confident about this. Reason being that I put this trade on a pending order like 2 days back, and I forget to like cancel this order. So I will update you guys. Thank you.